welcome back to my channel. My name is Katy, aka Tattooed Mama. I'm going to be opening my sipsby September box. I am so excited. If you guys don't know what sipsby is a tea subscription box, and they customize it to how you like it. It is so delicious. I have done so many unboxings of this, and I've done my little Tea Talk Tuesday videos, which I will continue to do. I have not done in a few weeks, but I will be doing some more very, very soon. Anyway, this box is $15 a month, but you can get yours for 10 bucks if you want to use my code. I will have that linked down below for you guys. You can get $5 off your first box. So anyway, if you want to see what I got in my September sipsby box, then just keep watching. Let's open this puppy up. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. And it has the September tea, and then on front, it's so cute. It says, made for Kaitlyn. And it says, can you believe it's already September? Long summer days are starting to become shorter and cooler, and we've been craving more hot tea. So true. I've actually really love iced tea, but lately I've been really loving like hot coffee, hot tea, and stuff like that. So, yeah, super excited, and it shows you everything that you've got in here. So let's pull out the first one. This is what I see right here, and this is cacao tea, and it's caffeine free. Let's see what they say is in this one, because it seems pretty interesting to me. This is organic cacao shells, cacao. I'm pretty sure it's cacao. It's not cocoa, because it would be CO. Yeah, organic cacao nibs. So, yeah, I'm kind of curious about this one. I'm wondering if this one is the one like the other one that I got, kind of like chocolate one. So, I'm super curious. Definitely excited to try that out. It always comes with this right here, which is an adorable little reusable muslin cloth tea bag, and there are disposable tea bags inside, which is absolutely awesome. Alright, next up, I did get 3 of these, but I did let Matt, my boyfriend, try one because he was not feeling the greatest. These are, so he needed some tea. So these are lemon capon, yapon, lemon balm, lemon peel, and lemongrass. So Matt said this was a very earthy tea, but he only added honey to his. My thing is, I would add honey, I would add some sugar, and I would probably add another like flavored like cherry tea or something, like so cherry and lemon, kind of like cherry lemon lime or something, you know. So yeah, it's always good to have those, especially when you're feeling sick. Next up, this looks super, super cool. This is the Sabrosa chai. Ooh. Okay, so this, let's see. Is it on here? Wow, oh yes. It's Gasua, I can't pronounce that, leaves. Ooh, dried pineapple, dried coconut, allspice, clove, cinnamon, and elderflower. I am so excited to try this out. I have never been too big of a fan of like chai tea, but my sister Alyssa let me try one of her chais the other day, and I just really, really liked it. So I just think it looks so awesome. I am so excited to try that out. That'll probably be one that I try out in a Tea Talk Tuesday. Next up is Tea Kitten. This is a minty, this is a minty mojito matte. And this has 4 servings. That's what I love about these little packagings. And this has high caffeine. And this is going to be so delicious. I'm excited, because a minty tea will kind of wake you up and stuff, and then the high caffeine in it. Love it. And then I just have another one of these cacao teas, or whatever, however you call it. So yeah, I'm excited. I think I got some pretty awesome choices this month, and you guys can see you get a good amount of tea to last you throughout the month for as little as you spend on this box. So again, sipsby, thanks for sending this to me for review. I always look forward to it. I hope you guys go check it out. I already know my best friend Brittany gets this box. If you guys want to see her unboxing, I will link that above for you guys. Go check it out. I'm so glad that she is getting this box because it's so much fun and it's nice to have variety. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video and you want to see next month's video, be sure you hit that bell notification button so you are updated on when I upload. Hit that like button, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Toodaloo.